In this video, we'll cover the Allow Cart add-ons feature. So we'll go ahead and enable this. And what this is going to do for us is when we come over to our selectable items tab, we can see we have a minimum and maximum of 3. So I have a wrap package where the customer could choose 3. But what if they wanted to add a 4th or a 5th wrap to that package? Well, by enabling this Allow Cart add-ons, it'll let them do that. And we could determine those prices straight within the selectable package itself. So I'll go ahead and click Set Meals, and I will search for my wraps, and I'll go ahead and I'll enable each one. And as I enable it, you'll see that the prices will automatically pop up. These are the prices that these wraps cost individually already. And if we wanted, we can go ahead and overwrite that with a new price. So if the customer added the chicken Caesar wrap to their package, it would be an additional $10. I'm going to go ahead and leave this at $9 as it is, and I'll go ahead and click OK. And before showing you what this looks like for the customer, I also wanted to show quickly that this will also carry over to your inventory page. So when you come and look at your inventory and this package has been ordered, the prices that we added to that column are what will show for your prices for those wraps. So I'll go ahead and log out now, and we'll go view the menu as a customer. I have my wrap package here, my 3 wraps as usual, but now you'll notice here on the right hand side, there's plus buttons next to each item. And as I click the plus button, it'll add more to my subtotal, allowing the customer to have more flexibility within this package.